The ATOTOEXCEL A5L Car Stereo features a stunning 10.1-inch QLED display that offers vibrant visuals and a wide, 178-degree viewing angle. Its innovative floating screen design allows for a flexible installation, ensuring minimal obstruction of dashboard controls. The stereo supports both wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for hands-free navigation and communication. Driven by the Android operating system, the device offers vast app expandability through Google Play, enhancing entertainment options with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB tethering. The built-in digital signal processor and amplifier provide powerful sound customization, delivering an exceptional audio experience tailored to your preferences. Equipped with a high-definition rear-view camera, the system offers a broad 140-degree view with parking guidelines and live rear-view capabilities for safer parking.